I was always very interested in the wonder of the world. So, why was the sky blue? Why is grass green? How do things come about? And then I had a mom who encouraged me to go to school and see what options I have as far as a career that aligns with the scientific field.
I think as a kid, I really loved asking questions, probably to a point where my mom was getting frustrated with it. But asking those questions really inspired me to not just ask the questions, but also to seek out answers. I'm personally a big fan of sunlight. It's kind of an important reason for why we're all here. Sunlight at the end of the day is composed of packets of energy known as photons, and these packets of energy are absorbed by all different types of material. In most cases, it's usually just turned into heat, but there are a lot of materials that take sunlight and convert it into other forms of energy. Plants actually are a great example of this through the process of photosynthesis. They can actually take carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight and convert it into fuel that they can then use in order to grow.
As far as energy being sustainable, we want to create something that comes from a source that is constantly being replenished. And so we have this abundance of sunlight. How can we use that to then produce the energy that we need?
We have a special material and a device that can actually convert the sunlight into energy that we can then use to split water into its elemental components, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So doing this process is really interesting because hydrogen gas is a really important fuel that we would like to use in the future in order to offset some of the negative effects of non-renewable resources like coal, oil, and gas.
It's important for us to think about the world that we live in because we definitely want the world to still be here for generations to come.
Each one of us makes a small contribution, but when we all make a small contribution, you end up making big changes in the world.